Hey crypto crowd, another day, another opportunity. First things first, a short disclaimer. Phew, let's move on. How does a community of blockchain users agree on which transactions are valid and which are not? How do they agree on who will create the next block? These problems are solved by the blockchain software mechanism, which we call the governance protocol. Let's have a look at staking. To better understand the concept of staking, we need to take a look at the two main governance protocols in use today. These are proof of work, used by Bitcoin and most others, and proof of stake, used by Cardano and a few others. We will talk about some of the similarities and differences between the aforementioned blockchain systems and their protocols. Both Cardano and Bitcoin are fully decentralized networks. Decentralization is a mechanism, an ideology created and achieved by shifting the control of the network away from a central authority. Both Cardano's and Bitcoin's networks are mostly operated and controlled by users who join into groups called pools. In the case of Bitcoin, these are called mining pools, while in Cardano's network they are called staking pools. The Bitcoin network's participants who maintain the network are called miners. These are usually powerful computers capable of solving complicated algorithms. If these workers show a lot of effort, the protocol gives them the right to create a block. Once they create a block, they receive a reward in the form of a Bitcoin. To improve their chances of creating a block and receiving these rewards, miners upgrade their computers or join with other miners to form a community called a mining pool. The Bitcoin network is governed by the proof of work protocol. Devices on the Bitcoin network, the powerful computers we mentioned earlier that we call miners, are also often referred to as worker nodes. They are called this because the reward system is set up so that more powerful computers have a higher chance of creating a block and receiving a reward. They do more work compared to their weaker competitors and therefore consume more energy. This way, the worker nodes prove to the network that the work they have done is valuable and that they are invested in the system, which justifies the name of the protocol, proof of work. Proof of work protocols, such as Bitcoin's, offer a lot of security because of the large number of validations they do, but they also have some negative sides. These protocols consume a lot of energy, and therefore, a worker competition is not very profitable for an average user. Server farms and more powerful worker nodes are far more effective in getting rewards. Second, proof of work is inherently expensive, which makes it less accessible to most people. On the other hand, Cardano's participants who maintain the network are called stakeholders. These are the owners of Cardano's own cryptocurrency, ADA. As with Bitcoin, these participants attempt to create blocks by solving algorithms and receive rewards in the form of ADA in return. Unlike Bitcoin, holders of ADA cannot maintain the network themselves and participate in the block creation process, but instead need to join communities called staking pools. Cardano's network, on the other hand, does not require powerful workers to operate, nor the high energy consumption. It is maintained by its stakeholders, who can hold their stake in a simple laptop, PC, or even mobile phone. Participants simply need to prove that they are holding their stake in the network. This is done by delegating or staking Cardano's ADA coins to a staking pool, showing support and trust in that staking pool. Blocks on the Cardano blockchain are then created by these staking pools, and the pools earn rewards when they create a block. These rewards are distributed proportionately to the stakeholders of the winning pool, and the pool operators keep a small percentage as a reward for their maintenance work. This is why we at Matrix Pools work hard to keep our pools operational 24/7. Due to this governance model, this protocol is called Proof of Stake. The Proof of Stake protocol was developed to address the shortcomings of the Proof of Work protocol. On Cardano, it's much less expensive because you, currently, only need one ADA to participate, and you do not need a powerful computer. Not to mention that it doesn't consume nearly as much electric power as Proof of Work protocols. To wrap up this video, let's summarize the meaning of staking. In the context of our favorite blockchain, Cardano, it means delegating and keeping a certain number of coins in the blockchain network for a certain period of time. The main goal of a stakeholder is to show their commitment to the network by delegating their stake to a specific staking pool using a specialized wallet so that the pools can maintain the network and make sure it functions properly. And that's been our short overview. Support our efforts by visiting our website and staking in our pools. Check out the video description and subscribe for more content or news.